Hi guys, always find something interesting that you can do with your dog. So this is my dog here, Prince, 3.5-year-old Rottweiler, and this is what we do to enjoy our time. Here, sit. Yes. That's my way of hyping up the dog. I can ask him to bark just to make sure that his drive is high. Good boy. Down. Good. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Ditch. 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 Good boy. Here. Sit. Down. Foot. Good. That's good boy. Here. Here is what we call off-leash shearing. Good boy. Turn. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. That's good here. Yes. That's good here. That's good here. Good boy. Yes. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, hit. Hit. Yes. Go. Here. Here. Sit. Here. Round. Round. Here. Sit. Foot. Good. That's good. That's what we call starting motion. Press here. That's good boy. That's good boy. Good boy. Down in motion. Down. Press here. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Foot. Yes. Yes. Sit. So now what we're about to do, we want to see how controllable this dog. We have my decoy behind me. You'll be cracking the whip, but at the same time, I want the dog to remain focused on me and not on the decoy. Foot. Foot. Good. So the decoy is right behind me. Good. Go right behind me. But the dog is supposed to exercise control. He's not supposed to think about the decoy. He's supposed to remain focused on me. It's not supposed to be distracted by the decoy until I ask the dog to attack. So he has all type of distraction right now, but he still remains focused on me. So I'm going to ask him to do something we call the bark and hold. He's not supposed to go and attack right away, but he's supposed to go back at the decoy. But if the decoy tries to attack, the dog is supposed to attack. So I'm going to set the dog. So you see, he's just waiting for the decoy to make a move, and he's going to attack. Good. You see, again, it's all about control. It's all about control, and we can move again. Foot. Again, you can forget about the decoy. Foot. I'm going to do another exercise we call the long bites, and I'm going to ask the dog to get the decoy. Get it! Good. For more educative content about dogs and dog training, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.